From this video we shall learn the concept of time and work and few problems based upon time and work. So these types of problems will be asked in competitive exams such as banking, railway, then NET, CET, TET, KSET, MSET, like that. The various kinds of competitive exams whatever you are going to write in all those competitive exams, as well as in the banking exams, as well as in a government jobs such as SDA, FDA, etc. In all the examinations there will be a problems based upon time and work. So we shall learn in detail regarding how to solve the problem based upon time and work from this video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world. Time and work. It is the widely used topic in every exam for the past many years. Either it might be an bank exam, or it might be an railway exams, or it might be any of the government examinations, even for the purpose of CET, NET, TET, SET exams. There will be a question based upon time and work. So if you are preparing for any exam, then you need to make yourself very clear with the concept of time and work. Here, what actually the time and the work mean? A time is nothing but it is a duration during which any activity or the work happens or continues. A time is a duration during which any activity or the work happens or continues. A work is nothing but a task or a set of activities to achieve a certain result. We can define happening of an work as: if a person A completes a work in X days, then the amount of work completed by him in one day will be 1 divided by X. Similarly, if a person B completes the work in Y days, then the amount of work completed by him in one day will be 1 divided by Y. From the above 2 points, we can say that in one day, A and B together can complete 1 by X plus 1 by Y amount of work. Thus, together A and B can complete the work in dash days. So that one we get by taking 1 by X plus 1 by Y. So is equal to, so XY is the LCM. So 1 by X, so here Y term is not there. You need to multiply 1 with X, right? You need to, Y term is not there, you need to multiply 1 with Y, and 1 by Y, here X term is not there, you need to multiply that 1 by X. Therefore it will be Y plus X whole divided by X Y, and taking this one as 1 divided by this value, that means 1 divided by Y plus X divided by XY will be equal to XY divided by Y plus X, and this is the days, this is the number of days which is taken by A and B together to complete the work. That means XY divided by Y plus X days is the time or the days which is required by the person A and B to complete the work together. A can do a job in 3 days and B can do the same job in 6 days. In how many time they can do the same job together? If A takes 3 days to complete a job and B takes 6 days to complete a job, in how many days A and B together can complete the job? So options: 2 days, 9 days, 4.5 days and 1.5 days. Among this, the correct answer is 2 days. How we get 2 days? We shall see how to solve this particular kind of a problem. So the problem is this one: A can do a job in 3 days and B can do the same job in 6 days. In how many days they can do the same job together? So here the solution is A can do a job in 3 days, means A's 1 day work will be 1 by 3. B can do a job in 6 days, means B's 1 day work will be 1 by 6. A and B together's 1 day work will be 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 is equal to, so the here LCM will be 6. 3, that 1 by 3 is there, that means 1 has to be multiplied by 2 plus here 1 by 6, so 6 is the LCM, so it has to be multiplied by 1. That means 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1. 1 into 2 will be 2 plus 1 into 1 will be 1 whole divided by 6. Therefore we can write is equal to, within the bracket, 2 plus 1 divided by 6, and this is equal to 3 by 6. Upon simplification it will be 1 divided by 2. That means 1 divided by 2 is what? A and B together 1 day work. To complete the whole work, how much is required? Reciprocal of this one, that is 1 divided by 1 by 2. Therefore A and B together can complete the same job in 2 days. Therefore the answer is 2 days. So in this way we need to solve the problem. Now we shall solve another one problem. The problem is Ram can do a work in 30 days and Sham can do the same work in 40 days. In how many days they can do the same job together? Options: 17 1 by 5 days, 17 1 by 7 days, 17.5 days, 17 days. Among this the right answer is 17 1 by 7 days. How we get this solution we shall see. Here they have given the Ram can do work in 30 days. That means 1 day work of Ram is equal to 1 by 30. Ram's 1 day work will be 1 by 30. Sham can do a same work in 40 days, means Sham's 1 day work will be 1 by 40. Now Ram and Sham both together 1 day's work will be 1 by 30 plus 1 by 40. Ram and Sham's together 1 day work will be 1 by 30 plus 1 by 40. This one will be equal to, the LCM will be 120. So 30 into 4 will be 120. That means 1 has to be multiplied by 4. And next one is 1 by 40. That means 40 has to be multiplied by 3. So we get 120. That means 1 into 3. So 1 into 4 as 4 and 1 into 3 as 3. So this we can write as equal to 4 plus 3 divided by 120, because 34s are 120 and 43s are 120. So 34s are 120. 1 into 4 will be 4 and 43s are 120. That is 1 into 3 will be 3. So 4 plus 3 divided by 120, and this will be equal to 7 divided by 120. This is what Ram and Sham's together 1 day work. So now the total work can be completed in how many days? Therefore the Ram and Sham together will do the same job in 17 1 by 7 days. How? 7 divided by 120 is 1 day's work, whereas the total work will be completed in 1 divided by 7 by 120. 120 will come to the numerator and 7 will be present in the denominator. Therefore it will be 120 divided by 7. So 120 divided by 7 can be written as 7 into 17, because 7 into 17 is 119 plus 1. Therefore 17 1 by 7 days. It is the total days which is required by Ram and Sham to complete the work. 17 1 by 7 days. 17 into 7 will be 119 plus 1. Therefore this 7 that is 120 divided by 7 can be written as 17 1 by 7 days. Therefore, the answer is 17 1 by 7 days. So in this video, I have explained the simple problems based upon time and work. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends, gain the knowledge and rule the world.